WCRB at 12:33, and today is already the next to last day of our 3-day fall membership drive. That's right, we're not doing a long sledge drive, but we do need to take some time to remind you that we are listener supported. Your contribution keeps the music playing, so please give now. Online at classicalwcrb.org or give us a call 888-995-9272. I'm Jesse Jacobs here with Mark Cohen.
And right now we're looking to receive 27 contributions by 1 o'clock, 27 more contributions in the next, 26 minutes. Help us stay on track for this very short membership drive. Please sign up as a sustaining member, or if you prefer, make a one-time gift. You can go online at classicalwcrb.org or give us a call, 888-995-9272. The money that you give today will help fund the music in the months ahead.
Support WCRB.
Because they're unified, they're not. Now, Trump said they're more unified than they've ever been, and that's true, but we still have two defectors. And that would be Susan Collins and Murkowski, that the Democrats, before even knowing who the nominee is, the Democrats are totally unified in opposing whoever the nominee is. So, as is the usual case, the Democrats are the gigantic hypocrites. But of course, it's not news that there's hypocrisy and hypocrites in politics. Before I get to my in-depth breakdown of my question, who are these people at the Trump rally? And again, it's not a critical observation, don't understand. Let me start with line one, because we have some. I want to get calls on this now rather than an hour from now, when people may not know why the caller is talking about the subject. We'll get the subject and the calls and buttressed back to back, so it makes sense. This is man in the village squad. It's great to have you. Glad you called. Hello.
Hey, Rhode. Thanks for taking my call. We pray for you every day. Okay, you have lit a fire under me. These spineless parents and grandparents that will succumb to threats from their kids about not seeing their grandkids, whatever. If that was my kid, I'd say, fine, you're out of everything. You're not getting a dime. The grandkids will get everything. I'm so tired of people.
Well, you know what would happen? They just steal it from the grandkids.
No, I make sure that didn't happen. I'm a smart, conservative woman. I love President Trump. I'm in a Trump rally today in the Villages. We're expecting over 1,000 golf carts. And you know what? I'm not going to be bullied. And thank God for people like you. And, you know, we need to rise up and stop being this little timid. I don't wear a mask. You know, I'm a good person. You know, I help my neighbors.
Damn straight you are. Absolutely. There's no reason people like you need to run around thinking there's something wrong with you.
There's not a darn thing wrong with me, Rush. Not a darn thing. I love my country. I love my president. I love my family. And there are so many more people.
And you love the EID network.
I do, and I love you. And just let you know, my little grandson had a Skype call with a librarian.